Hi guys, it's Simon at Kairos Capital Markets with the weekly review of my week. So the total so far for this week is 4.28% profit total with all the trades now closed down. And we'll go for each one individually, what we looked at, the good, the bad and the ugly. So I only got a 50% strike rate this week, strictly speaking, purely because the Euro Pound and the Aussie Kiwi, they took an extra day because the pullback on the 4-hour chart took so long it messed around a bit. So these were actually winning trades here, of which I did take and win on them, but it took an extra day. Ironically enough though, every trade I predicted this week did actually win. I didn't take this one, Aussie Yen, although it was good at the start of the day. I didn't like the 4-hour chart throughout the day. It was very, very choppy and messy, and I was like, I don't like this, not good enough, we won't take it. But this is just a personal thing. So we'll go through the Aussie 200 trade first of all. That was a 2.58% trade. This was the daily here. We actually had it on Monday. We did, so it was this day. So this day here, like this. So we saw the chart there, like that, pretty much. That the one? Yeah, I believe that's the one there. And then obviously I want to take it short down to this key level here. We pop down to the 4-hour, and this is the 4-hour chart. We saw a triangle there. We pop down now to the 1-hour. This is how I entered the trade. I wanted to pull back up to the key level, and this is the outcome of it. Again, if you look at the week 3 day 1 DDP, you'll see this one no problem at all. Then the next day we had was Aussie Yen. Now Aussie Yen was a good trade to take, you see, but if you look here though, it broke the phase line, broke the 4-hour 50, and I want to come back to test this key level here. So when we actually looked at the chart, it was like this, it was, and I was like, just pop up in the Asian session, give me a signal, enter around back here and take to recent lows. But what's happened is it just chopped around, didn't do anything at all. And by about 6 in the morning, I was like, I don't like this. It's just not good. It's just not good. It just does not look very nice at all. And then if you look at the 1-hour chart, this is what you saw on the 1-hour chart, pure chop and mess, which is, it's not good. So that's why I didn't take it at all there. Although if I did take it, it would have actually still banked me money. But like I said, you want to take trades that go to your signal and style. And for me, it can't be choppy, and that's too choppy. If you look here as well on the 4-hour and 1-hour chart, it came down, chop, 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 then come back up again. So this is why I didn't like it at all. So that's just personal preference. We then had Euro Pound short. Now I'll show you the 4-hour chart on this one. On Monday it just collapsed down. It chopped around. We pulled back up to this level here, up to 87 roughly. And all that's happened is it just took a few extra hours to get there. That's all it's taken. It produced a beautiful signal on the 4-hour chart. It did close just above the 4-hour 50, but it weren't too bad. It's producing a signal. And the 1-hour chart did the same thing here as well, so it was good to take. Just a quick 1-to-1, in and out, that's it, simple as that. Well, say 1-to-1, but to the recent lows there, and that was 1.3% trade there. And the last one for the week was the Aussie Kiwi. So this one here, the reason why it was 1-to-1 was just to get out as quick as possible. It's all it was, just to kind of like the recent highs on this area here somewhere, where the price had failed to reach over and over again. Now on this one, my original target was actually 40 pips, it was, and I wanted to be out by Thursday evening. But what happened was we never got anything on Thursday evening. We just pulled back to this key level and the trend line, and obviously the 4-hour 50. I'm expecting it to trend higher, because this would be the start of the trend change here, and I'm expecting it to go higher, and this is where I expected to come to. But yesterday afternoon, before Trump was speaking, I was like, this isn't good enough. And we was actually at 36 pips, not 40 pips there. So I actually took profit around this area here somewhere. And I was like, no, let's get out. It's good. If you notice, it's still over 1%, which is quite nice. So that was good. So overall, the week is very good. But some people go to me and tell me, but Simon, 4% isn't particularly that good. You know, 4.2% a week isn't very good. I want to explain to you about how we do this now. Here is an interest calculator, okay? So we've got £10,000. We've got 208% per year. Now that's all that is very simple. It's 4 times 52, and that's 208%. So if I earn 4% a week as an average, then that's 208% a year. Now, if I do it over 12 months, obviously a year, and we're going to compound the money monthly, not daily, monthly, yeah? And this is the result of it all. I want to show you this. So on the first month you earn £1,073, but the idea is though is this figure at the bottom here. 580% is the actual return I would earn on investment. And this is why when you take the trades like this, people go, oh, I can make 20% a day, blah blah blah. You can't do it realistically with a large account for a longer length of time. You just can't do it. Simple as that. When you have a very big account, you need to do the more longer term games, not the scalping as such for a couple of pips here and there. And this is how you do it. This is exactly how you do it. So yeah, that's the effective rate I'm earning at the moment. Anyway guys, I hope you had a good week as well, and I will speak to you soon. Thank you.